Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. Today I want to do a one card reading. If you people are dealing with the I'll do according to the sun signs. We'll just take one card, what the sun sign, that particular sun sign, if you're dealing with them, what they are thinking about you. Okay, so it will be just a short reading. Yeah, so let's see if my viewers who are dealing with Aries sun sign, if your divine counterpart or your partner or your lover is Aries sign, what they are currently feeling about you right now. Three of Wands, they are waiting for their ships to come. So they are waiting. There is something in this relationship that hasn't taken. I think you are still in situationship, or you are still in that place where you people haven't decided what you are going to do next. Maybe you have decided, but your person hasn't decided yet. I'm sorry about that. So they are still in waiting energy. Yeah. Now let's see people who are dealing with Taurus signs. Can I get one card for the people, viewers, whose divine counterpart or their person of interest is Taurus sign? Okay, so if you are dealing with the Taurus sign, they are holding on to something. They are holding on to you, and they are not doing anything currently. They are just sitting and thinking, because they are thinking where you people have reached and from here where you will go. But currently I think their energy is very slow, and they are not doing anything. They are not putting any effort, but there is something happening behind the scenes. Okay, if you are dealing with Gemini, can I get one card? If you are dealing with Gemini, okay, if you are dealing with Gemini, your person has just realized that there is a deeper meaning to this connection that they have with you. They have been able to see something that earlier wasn't visible to them, and they are going to come with a small message towards you. If there was no communication, the communication is coming. If you are dealing with Cancer signs, can I get one card? If my viewers are dealing with Cancer signs, what the person is thinking about them. Cancer signs are not talking. They are moody. They don't want to talk. Can I get one card for Cancer signs? I'm sorry, okay, no offense, okay. Can I get one card? Really, Cancers, so you want to prove me correct? I love that, yeah. Angel guides, can I get one card if my viewers are dealing with Cancer signs? Okay, Wheel of Fortune. Your Cancer signs, they feel that this relationship is meant to be. Though right now, I think the things between you people are, you can see you are their wish fulfillment. Right now, I think that the things between you people are very slow, or things are not moving because they are in their own energy, because that's why the card didn't come fast. But I think they think that you are part of their journey. You people are meant to be, right? Okay, if you are dealing with Leo signs, Angel guides, can we get one card? Oh, I think you people had a fallout. There was a fight, there was a breakup, or there is some third party energy that was revealed, and right now none of you are talking to each other. If my viewers are dealing with Virgo, okay, your person is too confused. There are too many illusions. There are too many people involved in this relationship, and they are not able to make any decision or take any decision about this relationship at this current time. Okay, if you people are dealing with Libras, if my viewers are dealing with Libras, okay, then Libra is there to give you an offer. They want to give you a solid offer, though it will be small, but it will be something substantial. That's what your Libras are planning. If you are dealing with Scorpios, if my viewers are dealing with Scorpios, can I get one card? If the person of interest is Scorpio, if their person of interest is Scorpio, okay, there is some sneaky behavior. They are doing something behind your back that you are not aware of, and I don't get very good energy. It's not always that Seven of Swords, I take it as a bad card, but from your Scorpio signs that you are dealing with, there is something that you are not aware of, and when it will come out in light, you won't like that too much. Yeah, if you are dealing with Sagittarius, you are dealing with Sagittarius, they think that you people have a past life connection. They are really in love with you, and you are going to get a little offer or a proposal or something, maybe chocolates, candies, roses, lilies, something is on their way, or maybe daffodils. They are going to buy you something, and they want to be your emperor. Oh my god, they want to get married to you. Yeah, if you are dealing with Capricorns, if my viewers who are dealing with Capricorn sun sign, my viewers who are dealing with Capricorn sun signs. Okay, Five of Wands energy. So there is a third party, there is a conflict, and they haven't decided if they are going to come in your way or they are going to third party energy. There is still some conflict, but if they haven't decided about you, they haven't even decided about the third party energy, but there is a third party energy. Now let's see my viewers who are dealing with Aquarius. Viewers who are dealing with Aquarius sun sign. Viewers who are dealing with Aquarius sun sign. Okay, so they think you are their world. They think you are a very stubborn person, and they want to talk to you about certain things that were left unspoken. Or if you people are talking, there is something that they want to discuss about this future that they think that it's very, very important for your relationship. Yeah, if you're dealing with Pisces, if you people are dealing with Pisces, okay, if you people are dealing with Pisces, your person, I think you people had some kind of fallout, because there is a Tower and then Queen of Pentacles. They see you as very rich and prosperous, abundant female or feminine energy, but there is a Tower between you people. Maybe recently something happened, something was there that you found out, and after that you stopped talking to them, or there was some, I don't see any third party energy with Pisces, but there was something that you didn't like too much, and then there was a little fallout, but they are in awe of you. Okay, so now I'm done with all the signs. This was just a quick reading. I want to take two cards for general, for everybody watching this reading, what they are supposed to do this week for their relationship. Can I get two cards of guidance for everybody watching this reading? Archangel Michael, can I get two cards of guidance for everybody watching this reading? One more card. Can I get one more card of guidance for everybody watching this reading? Can I get one more card? Okay, so we have two cards. Okay, King of Swords and King of Knight of Swords. So I think this week most of you are going to receive some kind of communication, because your person was very cold towards you, or you were very cold towards your person, but now they want to bring balance back to this relationship. And I think if there was no intimacy, I can see so much red in this card. If there was no intimacy this week, you can expect some kind of intimacy, and they want to really come fast. If you people are not in talking terms, they want to really come fast, and then take the opportunity, because they don't want to lose you. Yeah, so this was a quick reading, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and take care and love ya.